Hi friends, I'm so excited. Today we are starting a brand new project here at Harbor Breeze Home, and it is our tiny little powder room makeover. Come along with me and I will show you the befores and show you the first step that we did, which was to patch the vinyl sheet flooring that we had underneath the vanity. Let's get started. Our little powder room is located right off the laundry room in our small townhouse. It's a very tiny space with just a toilet on one side of the room, and directly in front of it, across the room, is the vanity. The vanity had a super dated pink countertop that looked like it had been made with scraps, a dated mirror, and lights. So the first step was to remove the vanity. And as we suspected, the linoleum, the original linoleum, was under the vanity, and new linoleum had been installed up to it. So we decided to try to patch in some linoleum. With the house came one little scrap of the linoleum. So we are going to try to patch that in as good as we can. The new vanity will hide almost all that space. The first step is to trim the remnant at the seam using a sharp utility knife and a straight edge blade. Then we used adhesive to glue down the whole piece. We pressed it down tightly, used a wooden dowel and rolled across it to make it nice and tight, and wiped up all the excess glue that seeped around the edges, and then it was finished and it's ready for the new vanity. For more ideas for your home, check out the blog. See you later!